Assalamu alaikum and welcome to day one of our CNC lathe and milling programming course. In today's video, we'll explore what CNC really is, how these machines changed modern industry, and most importantly, how to stay safe in the workshop. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Controlled. IT means a computer controls the movements of a machine tool, like a lathe or milling machine, based on programmed instructions. For example, a simple CNC command like this, G01X20Z50F0.2, tells the tool to move in a straight line at a specific feed rate. Unlike manual machining, CNC ensures accuracy, speed, and repeatability. Before CNC, machinists used hand wheels and gauges. Then came numerical control using punched cards. Finally, computers took over, giving us the CNC systems we use today. There are many types of CNC machines, but two are the most common. 1. CNC lathe. It turns the workpiece while the tool cuts. Ideal for round shapes like shafts. 2. CNC milling machine. The tool rotates while the workpiece stays fixed. Perfect for blocks, plates, and cavities. Other examples include CNC drills, routers, plasma cutters, and EDM machines. Bed. The base structure that supports the machine. Chuck/spindle. Holds and rotates the workpiece. Tool turret or tool changer. Holds multiple cutting tools. Control panel. The brain where we input our program. Coolant system. Keeps the tool and part cool. Emergency stop button. The most important safety feature. Always wear safety glasses and shoes. Never wear gloves while machine is running. Keep long hair tied and avoid loose sleeves. Know where the emergency stop button is. Never open the machine door when the spindle is running. Remember, metal chips can fly fast. Safety saves lives. That's all for day 1. In the next video, day 2, we'll dive into machine coordinates and axis movements, the foundation of all CNC programming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the full course. Allah Hafiz and stay safe in your workshop.